the toy pack.
Hey guys, this is the toy park. So today we're gonna be opening this Play-Doh set. Doesn't this look really exciting? I mean, it's Princess. Don't we all love Princess? Okay, well, follow me. We're gonna be opening this right now. Sofia right here. And her pet. Wait, let's see what this is. Okay. And her pet. And the Play-Doh that you're gonna be needing. Oh, we have yellow and we have purple. It's almost the perfect combination of colors. So do you guys know who they are? Recognize their faces? I'm thinking they are looking pretty familiar to me. So, she is our princess, Princess Sofia, and it's her friend, Clover. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move on to the clay. We're gonna be dressing them up. So as you can see, we have two pots of clay right here. The one in yellow and the one in purple. And well, let's take a look at it. Ooh, see? There is some sparkle in it. Can you see how shiny they are? See? Oh, it's looking pretty nice to me. Okay, first we're gonna be working on our princess first, right? Do you guys think something's missing from our princess? That's right, she's missing her crown right here, right? Don't you think we're gonna have to build her one right now? Okay, so let's do it. So some of you may be wondering how we're gonna be building a crown from scratch, right? Well, but don't worry, because guess what? Ta-da! We have all the necessary molds right here. Can you see that? We have, let us count it together. 1, 2, 3 molds. So don't worry. We have all the necessary items that we need. With this little help, we can easily make this crown at ease. Okay, so what you have to do is very simple. Simply grab some Play-Doh and place it right here. Remove all the excess and press the Play-Doh against the mold. Okay, continue removing the excess while you're doing it, okay? Well, it's almost ready, right? Okay, we're so close. Let me just quickly remove the excess. Then we're gonna be done. Well, This crown looks pretty good to me. Okay, well, alright. Ooh, see? Does it look pretty to you? Wow, this looks really adorable to me. The crown is so cute. So we already made a yellow crown for our princess. So now let's move on to dressing her up on her dress, right? I think a little bit of pattern on her dress would make her look even prettier, don't you think? So this time, let's work on the purple one. I want to make sure our princess looks really colorful to us. So, what you have to do is very simple. Simply grab some Play-Doh. You know, just a little bit would do. You don't even need a lot. And press it against the mold right here. Removing the excess part. Oops. Looks like I just dropped the Play-Doh, but it's totally fine. We're just gonna be working on it all over again. We're starting all over again, but that's fine. So press this against the dress and remove the excess. Right after you've removed all the excess part, then you're really close. See what we got here? It's a heart-shaped pattern. So cool. This is amazing to me. Do we need? What's missing from our princess? Do you know the answer? Okay, I think you got it. Just like how we've built our crown, we're gonna be building we're done here. Look at the dress. This is so pretty. And the rabbit is going this way because guess what? Now we're moving on to her. Oh, this one is so cool. This is my favorite part. So make sure you pay close attention. All you have to do is to stuff the hole right here with a lot of Play-Doh. And the magic is gonna happen really soon. See? I'm actually a little exhausted right now. Looks like we have had enough fun today. So we'll see you next time, okay?